this and that toys. Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a sort of challenge, Valentine's video. And if you guys have been watching my previous videos, you would know that all my challenges end with me opening a box filled with, like, I don't know, random boxes with prizes in them. And the challenge for this video is there's love bugs, and I need to win. I need to get my whatever I make to look close to these, to what these look like. So let's get started.
And Adalia's flying solo because I have stuff I have to get done in the other room because it's her sister's 18th birthday today. So I gotta make some brownies.
Yep.
So if Adalia can complete one of those, and she can take a few attempts if she needs to. If she can complete one of them, make it look like one of those little love bugs on front, then she'll win and get to open up one of those boxes. And I hope she wins.
And I'm going to be using scissors, so make sure if you're using scissors, make sure you have adult supervision.
Say yes, and I'll be one room away. And so you might hear me clanking just a little bit, because I do have to do some mixing and throw some stuff in the oven. Okay? Good luck to you.
Yep. Sticky! Okay, I need to get the tape off without ripping the paper. There's so much tape! Okay, so let me read there's no this is literally all the directions. Step 1, choose a straw. Okay, I'm going to choose a straw then. Step 1, choose a straw, body, head, and 2 wing pieces that you want to create your craft. Okay, I think I'm going to pick a blue straw. And how about, I'm going to pick yellow wings. Wait, which piece is body? Oh, these pieces. I need to get these off of it. I think I'm going to use orange. So, blue, orange, and yellow heart. We got the yellow wings. And what else do we need? Oh, a headpiece. We need a headpiece. I'm going to go with blue head. A blue head. Okay, so oh, okay, here. Unfold this. Okay, step 2. Thread straw through body, alternating between the slits. Okay. These are little slits right here. In, go in. I need to restart. New one, new orange one. It's fine. I know how to do it better. I won't rip it this time. Okay, wait. Start up top like this. I'm on the last one. This is the last one. Yay! Yes, I did it! Okay, now what do I do? Okay, so step 3, apply head and wings to the body with foam squares. Oh, so this is what these are for. Okay. So I think I gotta stick it right here. And then put this right there. Ta-da! Ooh! And then, wait. and wings? Yeah. Okay, so where are my wings? Here they are. With foam squares. I think it looks right? This looks good. It's good, okay. It's good for a 7-year-old. Okay. Okay. This is the last one. Now I need to get the wings on. Now I need the wings on. Da 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 da. These aren't gonna be they aren't gonna be symmetrical, but that's fine. Look it looks good. It looks good. It's like a I don't know. And then be creative and decorate with your love bug. Decorate your love bug with the stickers. Okay, I need to add my eyes first. There we go. Is it meant to have a smile? Nah, but I want to add one. Be right back. Sharpies! And I got a red and like a pink. So I'm thinking I'm going to use a red. It looks orange. Oh, that's because it's not really red. There. Okay, I'm going to go over it with the pink. It looks fine. Wait, but how do we... It has like horns. How do we do that? Oh, there they are. Here they are. I got them. So we got one of them on right here. Now I think we have to do the other one. Sticky. Right here. And then you gotta put it there. Oh, she's so cute. Now I think I'm gonna decorate with the heart stickers. Decorate her wings with and I think I might draw a little bit. Happy Valentine. Uh-oh. Time. There. Happy Valentines. That's fine. There. I'll do hearts with my Sharpies. Little hearts. Oh, this one doesn't show up at all. Wow. Alright, here, this will be cute. I heart you. There, that's cute. Now I think I'm gonna add a few more. I really want to add this color. I just think it's really pretty. This one. Put it right here. And I think I'm done. This is what I got so far. This is what I got. I think I'm done. I'm finished. This is what it's supposed to look like, and this is what I did. I think I might add one more heart on this one, though. Actually, I might add, like, 2 more hearts. I'm going to add a yellow one right here. And, I guess I can add an orange one to the other wing. There. Done! It's perfect, right? I mean, it's not perfect, but, It's not perfect, but it's good. So this is what it's meant to look like. I mean, it's not supposed to look like that, but that's what they showed, and this is what I did. They look nice. It looks nice, right? I did the wings upside down. I just noticed.
So does it count?
I think it does. Wait. Look. I can just do this. Move the head. But then the I Heart You and the Happy Valentines would be upside down.
But that's an ingenious way, right?
What?
So,
Yeah.
way to fix your problem. So you got it right.
Yeah.
All right. So what do you think, guys? Give us a like if you think she cleared the challenge all by herself. So this is what it should look like. Now, what did Adalia get? I think she did pretty good. Don't you? Huh?
It was kind of hard. I didn't add a smile, but I did. Used my Sharpie.
So you had a little extra detail even, huh? Okay. I think she cleared it.
Yay!
And now she's got like 22 more to go. How many kids are in class?
20.
20?
Yeah.
So you got 20 because you want to give your teacher 2, right?
Oh, yeah.
Minus you. So that puts us right back at 20.
Yeah.
So you're going to make 19 more for your class. Huh. But you can do that later. This is just fun to see if you could do it on your own.
Yep.
Congratulations.
I'll probably give this one to someone.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, shall we go?
Yes!
Get a box?
Yes!
Okay. Give me 1 sec. Wait. All right. We're ready to pick a box?
Yes!
All right. We're down to 3. 3 random boxes. Adalia has no clue. They don't match the box. It's pretty, just, you never know what you're going to get. So, which one have you decided on?
This one.
All right. You going to try the Uber Eats?
Yes.
Okay. So, you got to use the corner of the table. The rest of it's covered in presents for your sister.
Yeah. Ooh, what is this? These, what are these?
What are these?
Oddly satisfying. Ooh, I think they're little, fidgety things.
Little fidgety things?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are. Let's see.
Yay.
They're called Oddly Satisfying Sensory FX. So you connect different pieces and you can try different things. So inside of here, I have no clue what this is. ASMR bar. This is some kind of mesmerizing spinner. Some kind of mesmerizing thing. It lights up and could put you in a trance, I guess, right?
Yeah.
So basically, it's a bunch of fun, fidgety stuff for you to play with. What do you think?
Yeah.
We all know you like to fidget around, so.
Should we open it? Shall I open them? I think I will.
All right, you gonna check out what you got in those boxes? What are all kinds of oddly satisfying stuff. We'll have to see how satisfying they are, right?
Yes.
So they are called Sensory FX. Sensory.
I threw the box.
I saw that. So Adalia's gonna check them out and see which one's the most fun.
Yep.
Okay, go to it.
Okay, I'm gonna start with this oddly satisfying sensory FX. It's, I don't know how to explain it. Just, yeah. They're basically all the same. Not really. But I'm gonna start with this one. It says peel here. Ooh. Ooh. Sounds like a dog toy, but this is oddly satisfying.
Is it actually kind of satisfying? Ooh, it looks like a packing peanut. A giant packing peanut.
Or a beehive.
Yeah.
A mini beehive. I wonder what's inside of this. It feels weird. I love the smell of new toys.
What's that green thing?
Yeah, what is this? It sounds oddly satisfying too. It's like these toothbrush bristles up against plastic. So satisfying! Yes, I love them. Yes! Next, I think I'm going to go with the It's an ASMR bar, I mean. Open it! Ooh. What's this? Ooh. Yay! What's this? I think it's a checklist. It tells you all the ones they have. I got the roller. It's a roller. That's what I got in that one. Next, this one. Yay. Ooh. It's like a puzzle. How does it work? Oh, I like this. This one has like a bead or a marble. This one has like a marble in it. And whoa, you just roll it around. This one, you move it around. Oh, you twist it. And this one, it's like a light switch. Yay! More fidgets. Ooh, and they come apart. Fun. They connect to this. Whoa! What's that? So you can build your own personalized fidget. Whoa. I wish these connected. Okay, let's move on to this one. I want to get hypnotized right now. Right this minute. I'm gonna get hypnotized. What is this? Whoa.
Are you getting sleepy? Very sleepy?
No, but my hand hurts.
Okay, so this is what it starts off looking like. And then you press the wheel. And you're getting sleepy. Very sleepy. Just kidding.
Wait, watch this. Look at this. Can you guys see this? It spins. It spins.
So you can use them like a tap as well, huh?
Yeah.
It doesn't have to hook on?
No.
Cool. Whoa.
Wait, I want to switch out the discs. Wait, I want to put this one in.
Squeaky, squeaky, our doggies go.
It looks gray. Look it. It looks gray.
What color is it when it's not spinning? Turn it on. Is it off? I don't think the light's on.
Oh yeah, the light's not on.
Maybe that's why.
Still, there's no color.
That one turns gray, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, what's the other one? Aside from squeaky. Squeaky, squeaky, squeaky. Our dogs go squeaky. Because they're silly and they like to play. It's hard. You just gotta give it a big pull out. Give me help?
Yep. Brownies smell so good.
Brownies are so delicious. Since your sister doesn't like cake,
We always make brownies.
brownies.
Whoa. I love this. Yay! I did it. I got it come out. I like this one though. This is my favorite. Well, I had a great time playing with these and making my love bug. And these sensory effects are really fun. So, that's all for today's video. Make sure to like miss a video, subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. And peace! Don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos.